Best online mattress store. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Helix. They offer mattresses that can be customized based on your individual sleep preferences. The Helix mattress even allows you to put in your partner's sleep preferences, so both of you can pick the most comfortable mattress. Helix Midnight, a medium firm mattress, is the company's most popular model. Saatva. If you have problems getting your mattress out of the box or onto the frame, Saatva might be a good choice for you. You can get a free white glove mattress delivery, which means a person will come to your home with the mattress and place it where you like so that you won't have to lift a finger. They also take away your old mattress. Casper. There are 4 different mattress models available at Casper, one of the most popular online mattress companies. You can try out Casper mattresses at several stores across the country prior to purchasing them, which is one of the ways the brand is unique. Leesa. A memory foam mattress from Leesa might be a good choice for you if you're looking for a high-quality one. Among its 3 mattress offerings are the Leesa Original, a memory foam mattress, the Leesa Hybrid, which features 1 layer of pocket springs, and the Leesa Legend, one which features 2 layers of pocket springs. Purple. If you've heard of Purple, it's likely you've seen the advertisements for its new mattress that promises to improve your sleep. Purple mattresses provide the same back support as firm mattresses, as well as the best of both worlds, as they are both soft and firm. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.